Hello everyone, here is Crystal, and today I want to share cleaning tips in our lavatory cleaning. And I have used many kinds of cleaning cloths in my daily household cleaning, and today I want to share a very useful cleaning set for our lavatory cleaning, for every surface cleaning, and in our daily life. And okay, look, this one. This one is a small waffle cleaning cloth, and yes, size is very okay for our hand. And the honeycomb structure is also very nice. And when you clean the glass, you can use this kind of waffle cleaning cloth. And the cloth has a very good soft hand feeling and can clean the glass thoroughly and even without leave any fluff or water damage. Okay, let's have a test. Okay, you can see that it's a little dirty glass, and I will show you the clean function of this kind of cloth. Okay, I will clean the right side of this glass. Okay, you can look at that. The right side I have cleaned by the honeycomb cloth have a very clear surface, and compared to this one, yes, a very obvious composition. Okay, next one, universal loops cleaning cloth for the toilet and the wash basin cleaning. And you can see that the loops looks very shiny and also have a very good soft hand feeling. And this kind of cleaning cloth is very durable and also have a very good water absorption function. Okay, I will show you the performance of the water absorption function. Okay, you can see that even if a very small size of cleaning cloth, it can absorb much water. Okay, you have seen that. And the soft surface can clean the toilet and the wash basin surface very shiny after the cleaning. Last one, two different sides of cleaning cloths for the ceramic cleaning. And you can see that this side with abrasive fiber for stubborn and ingrained dirt, and will clean the ceramic and with the minimum of detergent or water. And this side of cloth can polishing the ceramic and when after the cleaning. This is the three kind of useful cloth I think is very suitable for our lavatory cleaning. And yes, we can see that this is a hanger loop that with the embroidery sewed on the cloth, and you won't mix it up when you clean your lavatory. Okay, that's the small tips of the lavatory cleaning. See you next time.